Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn French by Simran. So in today's video we are going to learn the definite articles in French. So as we all know, we have only one definite article in English, that is the, THE. But in French we have four forms, means the meaning is only the, that is THE, but the definite articles have four forms in French. So today we will learn how that is formed. So let's begin. Now, as you can see here, I have written on the top les articles définis. It means the definite articles. And which is the definite article? That is the, THE, as we all know. Now, as I said, we have four forms of definite articles, means the forms are different. So we'll see how it is formed in French. Now, the first one is LE, which is le. It is written as LE, but the pronunciation will be le, and it means the, THE, as in English. So, and it is used for masculine singular, means the word, the noun with which we are using le should be masculine, okay, it should be singular, means it should be one word, singular word, and it should be masculine. For example, as you can see here, I have written le garçon. The pronunciation is le garçon, and the meaning is the boy. Garçon means boy in French. Now, here this word garçon was masculine, okay, and it was singular. We were talking about one male. So that's why it is masculine singular, that is we are talking about one boy. So it was so we used le, which is the, and garçon means boy. So the meaning will be the boy, and it became le garçon. So this was our first form, that is le, which is used with masculine and singular nouns. Okay, now we will move forward to the second form, which is la. As you can see here, I have written LA, and the pronunciation also is written here, that is la. We pronounce it as la, and it is used for feminine singular, means it will be used with words and nouns which will be feminine and it will be singular. Okay, so we will see this by the help of an example. For example, la fille, which means the girl. Now here we are talking about one girl. Now girl is feminine, okay, and one, as we are talking about one girl, so it will be singular, so it will become la. So we have used la here, and fear, la fear, the pronunciation will be la fear, that is feminine singular. Now this is a noun which is feminine and it is singular. Now I want to tell one important thing, that now it is ending in E. Now here we can figure out that it is girl. Fear is a girl, but in French most of the words that end in E are often feminine. You have to keep this in mind, means exceptions are always there, but most of the words, means many words which end with E, are often feminine in French. Okay, now we will move forward. Sorry, Now we are going to learn the next form, which is L. Now this is the pronunciation will be L, and it will be used with vowels. Now I have written L apostrophe, and I have written it will be used with vowels. Means the word or noun which starts with vowels, that is A, I, E, O, U. In before that this will be used L apostrophe. Now we'll see one example. For example, L apostrophe école. Now this becomes L apostrophe, and this is école. The pronunciation is école, and école means school. Now it will mean as, now L is the. Now L, the meaning of L is the, THE, we know that. So L apostrophe E. Now it was starting from a vowel. E is a vowel, and we know that. So before that we will use L apostrophe, so it will become l'école. Now école, this word means school, so the meaning of this will be the school, l'école. Okay, now we will move forward to the next form, which is LES. Now the pronunciation of this will be lay, and it will be used with plural. Now LES, the pronunciation is lay. Now the S is silent, the last S will be silent. It will be pronounced as lay in French, and it will be used with plural. Now suppose if I write an example, that is LES, les crayons, which means the pencils. Now here I have given an example, les crayons. Now crayon means pencils, and because we came to know that it is plural, this word is plural because it was ending with S. Now many of the words, most of the words that end with S will be plural in French. Okay, so it will be pronounced as les, that's why we used les, LES, crayon. Now we are talking about crayons, we are talking about more than one pencil, so it is crayon, and because it is plural we will use LES, that is les crayons, which means the pencils. So that's it. These were the 4 different forms of definite articles in French. I hope you understand. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.